Okay, May 1st, and it is time to go kill us a bear. I should be shed hunting right now, usually am, but you know, this year I'm switching it up a little. I shed hunting a couple weekends ago, met a guy, a kid about my age, name's Gary, so literally don't know much about him, but I'm gonna be camping and hunting with him this weekend. So we're gonna go see if we can't get us a bear killed and make it happen this weekend. So here we go.
I'll tell you this, they've added long and short labels so you can make
All right, we are all set up and are heading to bed for the night. We're gonna wake up early tomorrow and go after it and hopefully get on a bear super early and get one shot. So this is Gary. Met him was it last weekend?
2 weekends ago.
2 weekends ago, and we talked a little bit and he ended up seeing a bear, so we're gonna go after it again. He shot and missed it once, and yeah, it's crazy. How did we meet? Remember?
So you pulled in and actually your wife dropped you off at the top of the trail, right? So you get out of the car and I remember thinking, oh, this kid's coming near now. I better start running. So I didn't say hi to you. I just took off on the trail. I started walking pretty quick and you caught up to us and we started talking. You asked if we were bear hunting. I said yes, and you kind of told me some spots you usually see bears. You kind of talked about how you were shed hunting. And sure enough, I went right to that hill that you had been talking about. And I had been thinking about glassing, and you talked about it. I actually left pretty early day one. It was not till like 2 days later I saw that big cinnamon, and I shot right under him, man. Like 250 yards, and I'm shooting a 6.5 Creedmoor, and I shot right below him. I just broke my heart, so
Yeah.
I'll get back on him tomorrow.
Yeah, so literally have known this kid, probably we've talked before today, we probably talked less than 10 minutes, maybe a couple texts,
Yeah.
and we're out hunting together, so let's hope Gary's not a murderer, so.
Yeah, we'll find out. Nobody knows I'm out here, so.
Yeah, yeah, but no, we're super pumped. Hopefully we at least see something tomorrow. Heck, even if we see a couple elk on the mountainside, it'll be a good day, so stay tuned, and hopefully it's not a cold night, because I freaking hate sleeping in the cold, but.
Yeah, man, I can't do it.
And Gary forgot a freaking heater, so whatever, man.
It's my fault, man.
I can't go hunting with this kid again. All right, well, stay tuned.
Good night.
We're up, gonna get dressed, and then we're gonna hit the trail. All right, we're hiking in right now. We've got probably about 2.5 miles of hiking, and then we'll be where we want to be. Hopefully we can get in here before the sun comes up and that bear just peeks up over the ridge. stick it out until dark and on the evening hunt. So hopefully bear wanders on out and Gary can get a shot at him. What do you have to say? I just hope we see that bear. He's got to be on the other side of the hill right now. There's no reason that deer would spook like he did for nothing, you know. So fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Okay. Sweet, man. Well, I'm crashing. Spotted on the trip. Gary spotted it. It's Allen Cub. So we can't go after it, but dang. Super cool. First bears on the trip. Good spot. Alright, so we sat here all day long, and what do we see? 2 moose, 2 bears. So, a deer. Oh yeah, that's right, and a deer. That's right. So we're gonna head out of here. It's shooting hours just passed, and we're gonna head out off this mountain. We're probably gonna get back at dark, but I don't know about Gary, but I'm freaking starving, so we're gonna cook some burgers. I'm cold. Yeah, it's getting a little chilly up here, so we're gonna back off this mountain and we'll be back at it tomorrow. So hopefully we can see something we can shoot. But it was still cool seeing those, seeing that sow and her cub. I was like, "Can you shoot a sow?" No. Gary's like, "No." It's like, "Can you shoot the cub?" I don't know, but I don't want to shoot a cub. So. Whatever. Did you hear that? I hear it. What'd you hear? Well, bear on the mountain. They can't shoot it though. Alright, well, we're out of here. Alright. Day 2 of the bear hunt. Gary and I are walking in right now. We're making a little bit better time than we did yesterday. Woke up a little earlier. We're gonna, actually, I bet you we'll get up there before prime time, so that'll be good. But it started to rain. Rained on us for, I don't know, a good 30 minutes. There's supposed to be thunder showers, so we'll probably stick it out under a tree, hunt the morning, and then go from there. So we'll get back to you when we're on the hill. All right, no bears. We sat for a little bit, nothing was happening, so we ended up just backing out, and we tried to hit some ridges and glass a little bit, but you know, it didn't pan out for us. Like I said, we were smelling them like no other. We walked into our spot and there was one that probably had walked, freak, I don't even know, like right by us, so, because just probably a couple within the hour. So Sorry, I'm trying to do two things at once, looking for a couple sheds, but anyways. All right, well, that's the end. We're hiking out and I'm heading home. So Gary's gonna come back up, and I think he's taking 4 days off of work, so hopefully he can make it happen. But until then,